What's that?
It's a computerized burglar alarm. I just got it the other day. Thought you said they'd supply transportation for the guns.
They did. It's probably in the warehouse. Go ahead. They're waiting on you.
I like company.
They don't. Drop the briefcase! Drop it. Or so help me, I'll shoot you where you stand.
Is this how the Stones do business?
They don't know anything about this. If you try and follow me, so help me, I'll shoot. I'm sorry, Michael. I am really sorry.
Kid, check your scanners. You got a car out there?
No, Michael, but there is a helicopter.
All right, get in here fast! Get that chopper! I'm activating ground air surveillance. And the electrical jammer.
Michael, she's got Devon's money, doesn't she?
Yes, she does.
Do you know who the Foundation's annual charity benefit is for?
I don't want to know.
Widows and orphans.
Well, like I said, let's get that chopper. Give me everything you got in the jammer.
Hey, I can't get this thing to climb. What the hell's going on here? She just won't climb.
Pull enough juice from that coil to bring her down, and I swear to you I'll erect a monument in your name.
I'll do my best, Michael.
Working, kid. Just gonna have trouble clearing that peak. All right, keep her steady.
What happened?
I was forced to activate my retro rockets. Look. Widows and orphans, Michael.
Kit?
Yes, Michael.
No monument.
The Occult. Knight Rider.